All right, everyone, so the time has finally come. We are currently at the grounds of Eastnor Castle. We've got the Lotus here. It's all done. Tonight we leave to head out to the Lotus Factory, take this thing home, like I said, kind of get a reintroduction to the brand, check out all the new stuff. We're gonna hopefully get a walkthrough of their whole facility. And then my friend and I are going to be doing a afternoon driving event on the track there as well. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be driving Lotus Emiras, which I'm really, really excited for. But just real quickly, I just did a quick go over of this thing. And I wanted to show you guys what I used because, again, we're in the UK. I wanted to stick to UK-based products. So first off, Halfords is the local company here, kind of like our Pet Boys, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly type of thing in the US. And they have their own line of products as well. They have their basic line and then their upgraded Premier line and black bottles. But for the first thing, I just grabbed some bug and grime remover because we are out in the country here. Tons and tons of bugs on the front of this thing, even after we polished it out just from driving the last couple days, a ton. So I hit it with that, got that all removed, and then went around with Auto Glim Rapid Detailer. Fantastic product, smells good, seemed to work perfectly well. Again, I don't have a ton of information about Auto Glim, but the product worked very well. It flashed out nice and easily, was pretty slick to the touch, awesome product. So after I did that, now we ran out of time when we were at Pyramid Car Care, right? So we ran out of time, we were limited with what we could do. We did a one-step polish on this thing, brought the paint back considerably. It looks way, way better. When you get up close, it's still imperfections for sure. But as you see this thing driving down the road, the paint absolutely glows and pops and looks phenomenal. While it was here, right, we were staying at the stable apartments in Eastnor Castle, the grounds of the castle. And Rye from Pyramid was nice enough to give me one of their ceramic coatings. So this is their Pyramid Car Care Trinity ceramic coating. You can buy this in the UK, you can buy that to use, or you can just go directly to them and they'll install it for you. First time using this, obviously I did it here, guys. Look where I am. Terrible conditions for installing a coating. That stuff went on extremely easy. Very, very easy to work with. Absolute pleasure. Again, it's a sweating type of coating. So you put it on, you let the water beads you'll see it start to sweat and beads kind of pop out of it. Buff that off with a microfiber towel. It immediately gets slick under the hand. Feels really, really good. So obviously I don't know the longevity. They actually put a lifetime warranty on that if you maintain it, right? So you actually have to go to them and get it inspected I think annually, which makes sense. Then they can make sure that the coating is doing its thing and they warranty it for lifetime of the vehicle or of that owner. If there's any issues, they take care of it and make sure that the coating lasts that amount of time. Again, just for me, obviously there's not a lifetime coating for me, and I applied it in harsh conditions, to be honest. But I'm excited to see how long this stuff lasts. What are the characteristics of it? Super hydrophobic, super chemical resistant, all that kind of stuff. So I'll probably be bringing some in to the US myself just to test out. So if you guys are interested in that coating, comment down below, let me know, because it did absolutely come out fantastic. Now with that said, guys, as you can see, I mean, since I did it, there's little leaves and stuff falling on the car, but I mean, look at the gloss level of this. Again, we are in the shade obviously, but it just looks phenomenal. So what we're gonna do now, hopefully, I don't know, my buddy's not back yet who owns this car. Hopefully we're gonna go run up to the castle and get some photos there. Don't know if it's gonna happen or not. He's running a little bit late and we may just have to get on the road to Lotus. But regardless, in about 1 second for you guys, you'll either see some photos of it at the castle or we'll be heading out and I'll see you guys. I can't remember the town it's called that Lotus is in, but we'll see you there. All right, guys, we are finally here after all the work we did. We are back in Hethel in the UK. We are at Lotus Cars. We also did a fantastic event here today out on the track. We got to drive a bunch of Emiras, an absolute blast. Did a factory tour, and then we finally finished off the day at Classic Team Lotus, where tons of heritage in that building. It was incredible looking at all the F1 history across the Team Lotus side of things. Really, really cool. Obviously, we have the Elan here. Darren, this is my good friend for almost 20 years now. This is his vehicle. He is from the UK, and our good friends at Lotus came through with an awesome little treat here. Darren, this is a certificate of provenance for your vehicle. Go ahead and open it up, take a look at it, and
see.
If you don't mind, just tell us a little history of where this car, I know when you were years and years ago, you did test drive one of these. Why didn't you get it? I think that's an interesting story of why you didn't get that.
So when I was 19, I went up to Birmingham, took one of these cars out on a test drive, absolutely loved it. It was affordable on my payments, but then I went to my insurance company, and my insurance company was like, that's gonna be £12,000 a year. And I'm like, I'm out.
Yeah.
I can't afford that. So years later, it came up, this yellow one, which is not one of the more common ones. I think red's far more common, came up, and I was in a position where I could afford it. So I was like,
why not?
Teenage dream come true. Yes. It's one of the only Lotuses that are front wheel drive. All the other ones are rear wheel drive or four wheel drive.
Gotcha, gotcha.
So it's not quite a purist car. We changed the color of the rims just to bring it a little bit more modern, and we had to get rid of the yellow carpet. The yellow carpet was just
hard to maintain.
Hard to maintain. It was looking a little old. But we had the wheels done, the underside done, the interior, had it polished out by Pyramid, and I've got to say, it looks pretty good.
It does, absolutely.
And then coming here and back to its birthplace at the end, and doing the driving course and just the whole experience here is, I mean, what better day could you have?
Absolutely.
Bringing it home.
We even scored perfect weather for the day. Yeah, it was absolute jam. I mean, guys, we drove about 4 hours from where we're staying here to here in this thing, and it drove unreal. The turbo whine and everything, the spooling sounds are incredible. It makes me, I'm kind of looking into one when I get home. So
it's just it's a happy car. It is. It's what it is.
It is. Very happy car.
Just enjoy them, and it's surprising how much attention this car gets. It's crazy. People, you pull up at the store and they're like, "Is that a Lotus Elan?" And you're like, "I haven't seen one of those for ages. I always like them."
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, in fact, I was driving through Hereford, and my buddy goes like, "I saw you driving through Hereford," and I'm like, "How do you know it was me?" He's like, "How many bright yellow Lotus Elans are there in Hereford?" So yeah,
we're actually at dinner. My wife and my kids were at dinner, and we're sitting on a patio, and there's one roundabout out by, and I saw you. Remember, I called you. I was like, "Hey, I see where you going." Yeah, it really stands out.
It stands out. It's a great car.
Well, congratulations. I'm glad it's finally all set up
and
for
we
you.
got the letter from Lotus as well, which is
absolutely
pretty damn cool.
Very cool. And again, thank you to everyone that was involved in this. Obviously, we got Lloyd at Rust Tech for doing the undercoating. We've got Neutron Alloys doing the wheels. Pyramid Car Care helping out with the polish. And then he actually gave me one of his ceramic coatings too. We coated that afterwards. And then we got Geist Leather Care taking care of the seats, reconditioning those, and Sub-Zero Clean on the engine compartment doing a dry ice cleaning. So
it looks great all around.
All set. Beautiful. Well, thank you so much, guys. This is kind of the culmination of my England trip. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.